Hey everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. Today I'm going to work on two of the projects I'm really excited about, and one of them is the candle decorations. This is such a beautiful candle that I showed in one of my recent hauls. It's got white with golden rim on top and black with golden rim. So I'm going to decorate these two candles and with one of the covers. This is actually a wine bottle cover. I got this from gift section from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this to cover this candles. And also I have shown this in one of the recent hauls. This is one of the beautiful golden basket, and I'm going to decorate this basket using this paper straws. This also I showed in the haul. So I'm going to use these two to decorate this basket and the candles with the bag. And apart from these items, I need my scissor and my glue gun. So yeah, let's get started. So there you have it, guys, our final look of both the projects that I want to do in this video. And yeah, these are the two candles that I want to put the golden foil, and I also gave like a thin foil to just, you know, decorate like that. I wanted to decorate like that. So doesn't that look nice? I like both the white gold and the black and gold. They're looking so pretty. I'm going to put candle and decorate them. That's that. And this basket, when I thought about it, the straws were looking okay, but I thought, you know, I mean, the better plan would be to use the mesh. This also I showed in one of the hauls that I made. So this is actually a sparkle mesh. I thought like golden sparkle mesh and the golden basket will go well together. So I stuck the mesh, and then I made a small circle fabric in the back just to cover the back part. And I also covered the top to cover the raw edges with this beautiful yellow ribbon, which I got from Michael's again. This was again from the Christmas sale. I think it was like probably 60 or 70 cents. And this can be definitely found in Dollar Tree as well. So this thin ribbon or thick ribbon, whatever ribbon would work, because I picked this one because it's going with the color. So, and I just stuck it around to cover the raw edges. And yeah, I covered the basket like this. So it's more like a festive theme, but you know, the golden basket, I don't want to cover it up with something else. So I thought, like, you know, I wanted to brighten the gold color of the basket by adding some more sparkles to it. So I chose the sparkle mesh. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. So yeah, these are the two things I want to show in this video. I hope you also enjoyed. Yeah, please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, and also leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section, so it will help me improve my channel as well. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon for me, so for more notifications on videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.